So first important question, which one of the following best describes the doctrine of harmonious construction as applied by the Supreme Court of India? So first option, it is used to resolve conflicts between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. So and also it is a principle of statutory interpretation where two or more provisions of a statute or constitute are interpreted so that each is given effect. So it is principle that allows the parliament to amend any part of the constitution including fundamental rights. So it is the doctrine that prevents the executive from encroaching upon the domain of the judiciary. So these are the options. So whenever you see the important topic related to the polity, so we have to retain the exact topic from the options itself. Sometimes we can eliminate those options also. So first of all, if you see the doctrine of harmonious construction especially, so what is it? So if you see in the constitution, the Indian constitution, we have number of provisions related to the powers and functions of different authorities, and also we have powers or duties and also responsibilities. Apart from that, we have some certain rights or safeguards of related to our fundamental rights, or some other safeguards of human rights, especially related to the particular citizens also, right? So here, whenever there are any particular conflict happen between these provisions, especially provisions related to that particular law or whatever we have the constitutional provisions, right? So whenever there is any conflict in between two or more provisions, then what will we do, right? So that is the court interpretation. Here court can interpret in these situations whether those two or similar provisions may apply or neither the particular whatever we have constraints or provisions not apply, right? So this is the doctrine of harmonious construction. Whenever the conflict happen like this, the judiciary will be involved, right? That is the interpretation, judiciary interpretation, right? It is a principle of statutory interpretation where two or more provisions of a statute or construction are interpreted so that each given effect, right? So apart from that, if you see, it is used to resolve conflicts between fundamental rights and directive principles of state policy. Is it doctrine of harmonious construction? No, it is completely doctrine of basic structure, right? So that is completely different, right? So only B is the correct option here.